Hello all, welcome back. This is Ramprakash Duraisamy. In this video, we will see how to create Canvas Power App from Excel. We will do the crude operations like create, update and delete operations. Power App have a capability to automatically create the Canvas Power App based on our backend. So let's have a look on the operations, how we can able to easily achieve that one. And in the future series, we will see how we can convert that Excel to Dataverse table and how we can use it. To begin with, I have an Excel and I stored it in OneDrive. I'll just open the Excel and show you what are the columns which is available. So here are the columns. I have ID, name, email, status, date of birth, address, city and state am available. So here I have already converted this to a table and I named the table as table 1 and I stored it in OneDrive as I earlier said. I'll go to make.powerapps.com. I'll click on app. Here we are having an options, multiple options available. One is with start with Copilot, start with data, start with page design and template. So we already having a data. So I'm just going to directly select with start with data. So once it populated, so here you can see an option called connect to an external data. I'll select that external data. And as we already discussed, so our source is backend, our source of backend is Excel. So I'm selecting the Excel as my backend. Let's wait for the data to get loaded. First, it will make a connection between your Excel, whether you are having a proper licensing or not. So now here you can able to see the proper licensing I'm having. So it validated and came up that it is a valid connection. Now it will load what are the possible ways I can use an Excel. Like I can use for SharePoint or I can use for all OneDrive and all those stuff. As I already said, my Excel resides in OneDrive. So I'm going to select it as OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, OneDrive, and I'm selecting the Excel. I'm expanding the Excel which is there. And here you can able to see there is a table which is already available and I already said I have named it as a table 1, so I selecting that one. Once after selected, the important thing which you need to know is, for example, if you are already having an unique ID column which is available, you can just directly select the unique ID column, or else you can just ask Power App to auto generate GUIDs for each of the records. So for now I'm just asking them to generate auto generate the ID. I'll say create app. So now what Canvas app will do is it will automatically create the app based on the field which we are having in the Excel. So as I showed you, it having like couple of columns like name, ID, address. So based on that one, it will automatically provide an option to create the record or update the record or to delete the record as well. So let's wait for the Canvas app to get created. So within the meantime, I'll go here. I'll close the app. I'll try to reopen it again to show you the auto ID got generated. So here you can able to see the Power App ID, which is this is the auto generated ID, which automatically created from the Canvas Power App. So the Canvas Power App knows, okay, this record holding an ID called EC222 GUIDs. So now if I come here, so here you can able to see 123 OAK Street is the one. So if I go here, so it is the address and here you can able to see it is the Canvas Power App ID. Now suppose I want to update, I'll run this record. Suppose I want to update this record here, so I'll just update the state as, I'll say demo state. I'll update the submit the request. So once after the submit request is done, here you can able to see the state name automatically get changed. I'll go to the Excel. So here you can able to see the state got updated successfully. Now I'll go ahead and create a new request. While creating the new request, here you can able to see it is a mandatory, because as it is auto generated, we don't want to provide anything, but as it is asking for a mandatory, I'm just providing some random number here I'll provide it some random address. I'll provide an email address. I'll provide some ID. So maybe I'll take 10. I'll provide a number as 11. Okay. Now I'll save this record. So now once after here you can able to see the record gets saved, but here you can able to see the ID whatever provided is different because as I said it's an auto generated ID, and if I come back and see my record automatically gets created here. The same way if I want to delete this record, they have provided an auto box automatically created an option to delete this operation record, so I can just directly click on delete. Once the delete operation is done, I'll come to the Excel and here you can able to see the row got deleted. I'll explain you the source behind this one. So as here you can able to see it is a gallery, record one gallery is available and it will search for the table based on the input which I'm just doing it out here. And this is just a form, a data source form which is like a view only form, and based on the form which automatically views the record whatever which I'm just selecting it here. Edit. So it will directly say the update context of edit mode and it will automatically edit the record based on the record which I'm just selecting here. And delete. So it will ask for the it will show the delete mode as true and date can delete cancelled equal to false and select a record is this one. So for example, if I select this one, this form automatically gets populated here. If I just go and view the display mode, no, sorry, I think visible. So okay, it is visible. Let me just come and show you. So this is the container. If I go and see the visible property of this container, so here you can able to see delete mode is true or false. So if what is the delete mode here? So on click of this one, the delete mode automatically sets true, and hence the form automatically gets populated here. So if you're having like not much number of data or much number of operations, you can just easily use this Excel as a backend by keeping a simple front end from Canvas Power App. So in the next video, as I said earlier, we are going to see how to convert this Excel to Canvas Power App using AI. Hope you like this video. Please drop me a comment if you have any queries and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.